Hey guys, it's Miss Athos. I'm going to show you today how to use the crop and straighten tool. So you can see here that my photo is slightly crooked. So an easy way to fix that is by going to your crop tool and looking up in your options bar. You can see here it says the word straighten. So you're going to click on the little icon next to it. It's a little ruler. And when you're using this tool, you want to find a straight edge to click and drag along. So I'm going to use the edge of the photo right here. So I'm just going to click and drag. You don't need to go all the way across. You just want to get a good portion so when you let go of your mouse, it will straighten. If you're not happy with the results, you can always go back in and click on it and adjust it a little more. From here, I'm going to pull in the sides of my image just to keep that white border, and I am going to click the Enter key to crop my photo. So that is all you need to do to crop. Just to review, I have my crop tool. All you need to do is pull in the sides to get the area that you want. You can click the check mark in your options bar. You can double click, or you can click Enter on your keyboard. From here, you can save your file. If you want to just click Save to write over your original, you can, or you can save as to make a new version. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.